Hi children, welcome back in our online English classes. Dear student, I hope you all are fine and enjoying watching videos. Keep watching our videos regularly and study regularly. In our previous video, we have started the lesson number 7, remote control kit. Okay students, so we have seen the first scene. There is Tony, Daisy, Dad is there and Mom also off stage is there. Now we have seen Dad is fixing the remote controller and Tony was eating sweets. So when Dad say him, just you hold this chip, okay, carefully. So dear student, while eating sweets, mistakenly Tony ate the chip, okay. Tony swallowed the chip. Now what happened? We have to see today here, okay. On the page number 73, open your textbooks. You can also read with me by looking at screen, or otherwise you can see your textbook also. Now see here, Tony said in a loud well, oops. Dad said, what's up? Tony said, chalking means it is the direction, stage direction. Whatever the brackets are given there, students, these are the stage directions. Okay, how the actor is acting, which is said in the bracket. Tony chalking. I just swallowed a microchip. Daisy said, moaning. Moaning means what? She is just moaning there. Okay, in this way. Oh, Tony, how shall I play my new video game now? Mom said, she is rushing into the room. Means she rushed out from the room and quick call in the doctors. Dad, stop fussing. It won't hurt him. It was no bigger than one of his teeny toffee. What is there? So all the discussion is going between these four characters here. After the swallowing chips, Tony said, oops. So what happened? Dad asking. So we have read all these things here. Okay. Mom is also worried here and mom is saying, quick calling the doctors. So Dad, stop fussing. Okay, we stop. There is no need to worry. I won't hurt him. It won't hurt him. It was no bigger than one of his teeny toffee. So whether he swallowed the chip, but it is smaller than the toffee. Okay. Mom, right. Then come and have your dinner. Tony, what is for dinner? So Tony is asking to Mom, what is dinner? What you made? Mom said rice, curry, dosa and sambar. So both brothers and sisters, they and Tony said together, wow! Means they like this dinner very much. Now this was our first scene. Now scene 2. Okay. The next day, Mom, Daisy and Tony are sitting in the lounge. Dad enters with a new remote control. Now, as we have seen in first scene, Dad was fixing remote controller, and now in second day, in second scene, Dad had one new remote controller. Dad said, look, I have got the new remote. Daisy said, great, can I use it? So Dad said, let me test it first. So okay, you can use it, but let me check first, is it working or not? Daisy said, Dad, please test it on my new video game. So Daisy had a new video game and she wants to check the remote controller on her video game. So puts a CD in the video. So for playing video games, we need video CD. Okay. So students, now what Dad said, okay, here goes. I am pressing play. So he pressed a button. Again it is in bracket, means it is stage direction given in bracket. So what the actor is doing while playing this role, we are characters. So what the Dad's character is doing, pressing a button. Okay, as he has remote controller, so pressing a button and play. Tony starts playing with his toy. Now after pressing the button, Tony is playing. Okay, and students will know why Tony is playing, because Tony swallowed the microchip. Okay, Daisy looking at TV. Dad, Dad, it works. That's it. And now I am pressing stop. So Dad pressed a button. Tony stopped playing with his toy. So Tony was before this playing with the toy. Now he stopped. Daisy looking at TV again. Dad, that too works. It is also working. Okay. Now Dad again said, now I am pressing fast forward and press a button. Tony stands up and starts running around the room. When fast forward button press, so Tony also running in the room. Okay, now what happened next? We can see here, he is just running and making rounds. Okay. Daisy said, looking at Tony, she looked at Tony and said, Dad. So what Dad said? And now I am pressing rewind. Rewind means what? It is the opposite action of forward. Forward and rewind. Okay, back side. Walking back. Okay, so slowly start running backwards around the room. Daisy again looking at Tony. Dad, she is surprised here, and Dad said, and now I am pressing search. Press a button. Tony stops running and starts looking for something. When Dad is pressing the search button, Tony stops and searching something. Means as the Dad is pressing buttons on the remote, all actions doing that Tony also. Okay. So new word is here. Here goes means used to announce. Okay. He is announcing. And now the page number 75. Daisy said, looking at Tony, Dad, oh Dad, look. Means she wants to show Tony how he is acting. Dad said, what is it? Why are you speaking? Why are you surprised? Daisy said, look at Tony. Dad, looking at Tony, he looks alright to me. So Dad didn't say anything before what happened. So he said, yes, he is looking right. Daisy, well, he is not. When you press play, he plays. And when you press stop, he stops. And when you press forward, he runs forward. When you press rewind, he runs back. So that's it. Oh no, it must be the microchip he swallowed yesterday. We must get it out quick. Let's rush him to hospital. So now Daddy realized what is going on there. So Dad is now worried and he's saying that it is all because of the microchip only. So we should rush to the doctor. We should take Tony to the doctor. But now Mom what says? Mom said, wait. Go to look at Mom. He might behave better with that microchip in him. Here let me try. So Mom is very disturbed with the behavior of Tony. So that's why Mom is saying here, let it be the microchip in him only. Means maybe he will behave betterly now with the microchip. And what happens? Just the small part is remain here. She takes the remote control and press a button. In time for bed, Tony. She press button and say, time for bed, Tony. So we can see here in the picture, Tony is going outside to the bedroom. Okay. Tony runs out of the room. We hear the sound of feet up the stairs and then the brushing of teeth, etc. So Tony is shouting. He's from the room only. I have brushed my teeth. I have put on my pajama and got into bed. Good night, Mom. You know what is meant by pajama? Yes, it is actually one Hindi word pajama. For night and we can say that. Okay. And I am into bed. And good night, Mom is saying from the backstage only. Mom, amazed. Isn't that strange? Usually he takes hours shouting at him. Means every day regularly we need to shout him again and again. But today he done very quickly. Daisy, that is great. I can press stop when he tease me. So again Daisy also laughing and saying, if he tease me, Tony, so I will press stop button. Then he will stop there. and dad said and his teacher could use it to make him behave properly. So in school also teacher also can use this remote to behave properly to the Tony. Okay, and mom said terrific, we have got a remote control kid now. He will make no trouble in the house or at school. So in this way they all are laughing because now they have a remote control kid. Okay. Students, all the new words from this passage you have to write 5 times in your notebook in good handwriting. I hope you understood this video very well. Remaining part we have to continue in our next video.